Every morning at 6 a.m., David woke up to the same alarm, the same commute, the same smile he forced in the mirror. But that Monday, something felt different. His bank account had $27.49. His rent was due in 3 days, and the job he gave 8 years to had just let him go. This is the story of how a man woke up broke and built a smarter life. But this isn't just about David. It's about you, because you might be living a story just like his. David did everything right. He got the degree. He took the job. He followed the plan they sold to all of us. But no one tells you what happens when that system fails. When inflation eats your savings. When rent takes half your check. When loyalty means nothing to corporations. He realized something. If he didn't learn to play the money game differently, he'd lose. He stopped blaming the world and started asking better questions. What if money wasn't about how much you earn, but how you use it? What if freedom didn't come from working more, but from building systems that work without you? David started learning about smarter finance, emergency funds, passive income, index investing, digital products, side hustles powered by AI. Budgeting like a boss, not a victim. He discovered something dangerous. Knowledge is free, but staying broke is expensive. 12 months later, David didn't win the lottery. He didn't become a millionaire. But he had options. He had peace. He built a life that wasn't controlled by bosses, bills, or burnout. He was no longer working to survive. He was working to build. And now he's not just surviving, he's smarter, and so can you. This isn't just David's story. This is your invitation. To stop waiting, to stop wishing, to learn smarter finance, to own your time, to master your money before it masters you. Because if you don't build your dream life, you'll keep building someone else's. Welcome to Cashana, where money meets mindset, where we turn ordinary stories into extraordinary lives. And this is just the beginning. Subscribe, learn, transform. Cashana, smarter finance, smarter life,